What is this? Ah! 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 Ah!
Are you afraid? You must be afraid of me.
I don't even know what you are.
Your father. And I will kill your mother.
You're gonna kill my
And
mom?
your subconsciouses.
You can't kill my mom.
Where are you from?
Where am I from? I'm from America.
Yes. Are you from America? My name is Jack Bauer. Do you know me?
Jack Bauer? You mean from 24?
Yes, my name is Jack Bauer. And you must tell me now where the bomb is.
Where's the bomb? The bomb's in
Where's
my...
the bomb?
It's in my pants.
I'm a terrorist. Are you from a terrorist organization?
Yes.
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 Yes, you're a terrorist.
Yes, I know. The bomb is located inside of my...
America.
Excuse me?
I hate America. Did you listen?
You can... Jack Bauer is America. You can't hate Jack Bauer.
But, I have a problem. I'm a schizophrenic.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
I love Jack Bauer. I will kill Jack Bauer. That's what I mean to say. I will kill Jack Bauer.
Gotcha. Well,
Do you know where is he? Where is Jack Bauer? I want to know where Jack Bauer is. Do you know where he is?
he's probably with his family.
With his family? I killed his family.
You killed his
He can't
family?
be with his family.
That happened to him like 4 times.
What?
I said his family's always in danger. They're never gonna be killed.
Yeah, I will kill. I will kill you.
How?
I will kill your parents if you don't tell me where Jack Bauer is.
How would you do it?
I have superpowers.
What is it? What's your
I
power?
have superpowers.
I have a superpower too. My superpower is that I can disappear.
I
Ready?
can see
Watch.
all the
Here's
way.
my superpower.